Hello, beautiful person watching. Welcome to my channel. Today we are making some air fryer smashed potatoes. Now, if you've been eating your regular baked potatoes or mashed potatoes, you may want to try the smashed potatoes. This is just another way to switch things around. These are so easy to make and they are extra crispy and you are going to love it. Let's jump right into the recipe. But before we do, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Benna and please do take a moment to hit that red subscribe button. Also like and share this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you all so much for the love and the support. So we are going to start first by scrubbing down our potatoes because we are going to be cooking them with the skin on. It is so important that you scrub them down, and I do have my potato brush that I picked up from the dollar store. That's what I used every time when I want to scrub my potatoes. Now the next step, I just brought this water to a boil and I'm just going to cook the potatoes. I did cook this one for about 18 minutes, so anywhere between 15 to 20 minutes your potatoes are going to soften. Just use a fork or a toothpick to just check to make sure they are cooked but not so soft. And once that's done, I'm going to strain them and just let them cool down before we can move on to the next step. So once our potatoes have cooled down completely, I transfer them to my cutting board. I am going to be using my glass. You can either use your potato masher or you can use your glass to just smash your potatoes with. I'm going to use the glass because I work more better with the glass than with the potato smasher, but whichever works for you guys, just go ahead and do that. I really love smashed potatoes, especially in the air fryer, because one, they are so easy to make and they easily crisp up as well. They can absorb the seasonings more and more. It's just another way of doing things around. You know, sometimes you get tired of eating baked potatoes or either mashed potatoes, and so if you smash them, it just switches things up and they are so delicious. So once we are done smashing our potatoes, now it's the time to just spray it down with some oil and then season it. So remember to spray it down with some oil, a little bit of oil. I'm using avocado oil just so that it's able to absorb the seasoning better. That's the reason. So in my seasonings here, I'm using some salt, I'm using some Italian seasoning, onion, garlic powder, and paprika, and some dried parsley. Now you can use any seasoning of your choosing when it comes to your potatoes. Any of your preferred seasoning, just go ahead and use them. So I'll just spray down my potatoes and then I'm going to just sprinkle the seasonings on top of the potatoes, spray my air fryer basket, and we put it in the air fryer and we air fry it. So our air fryer smashed potatoes are all ready to be served and they are so crispy, they smell so good. I really love it, and this recipe is so easy to make and I hope you get to try it soon. I'm just going to garnish it with some fresh parsley that I've chopped up. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also share this video with your family and your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you for watching and bye.